Hello everyone, what I'm going to share today is how to use OBS as your TV screen. Voices can be heard. You can see the screen. In addition, you can also make video recording. What about before we do the experiments? I'll share it with you. Not all video capture card. It can successfully capture video. For example, this is just a 4K capture card. I connect to this iPhone as the video source. At this point, I open my software. You see it appear on this black screen. I tell you yes, not all capture cards can be successful. Use it as your OBS video source. Tools, of course. You have to toss him and he can still use it. It's just a little more troublesome. Then I'm going to use this one from our company today. Faben 179 Plus, the capture card. It doesn't have to be tossed around. I'll show you once. First of all, I connect the capture card to the computer. And finally, I'm going to string it up on HDMI in. Then open that software. Behold, it shows live video. I'm going to tell everybody, my capture card doesn't need to be tossed around. Then I will tell you about it, how to set up on OBS. Think of it as a screen. 3 steps. Video recording is also a 3-step process. First, Faben 179 Plus, the capture card. Connect to your computer's side. The video source. Connect to an HDMI capture card, the in, where the connection comes in. At this time you turn on your computer OBS. You see that there will be scenes and sources here. You are in the place of this scene. You add a video device. This is the first step. Let's add video source and audio source. Video capture device means get live video. Faben 179 Plus is named 4K SP3 patcher. This one. Then pay attention. The first time you use it, he will default to Full HD. Then you can force him to catch Full HD. You're going to catch Full HD first. Can't catch 4K UVC. To catch Full HD first. Like this. If you get 4K UVC, he will be black. Why does 4K go black screen? Because of your iPhone. The resolution it throws out is only Full HD. That's when it's 4K. It is necessary to really capture 4K the video. So you throw Full HD to do it. If you go to 4K, there will be no video. Of course, if you wait, your video source has real 4K video source. I'll show you later. You can catch video, too. That's right. And then again. Also grasp the sound. It's called audio input capture. We are now talking about the second step. Audio input capture. To get. It's called 4K SP3. Down. You want to watch your OBS as if it were a TV. Your computer speaker has to make this sound. It is to turn on that voice. Speaker should be turned on. This is called audio input capture. It has a counterpart called audio input capture. There are 3 dots here. Advanced settings to audio in capture. There's a speaker here. Turn it on. That's it. Okay, let's play a video file. Play this file.
This is 2 Android phone. The first Android phone, I turn on the YouTube.
But when we watch TV, we need to be full screen. We'll just wait. Turn this video into full screen. How can it be full screen? Press the right mouse button. There is one called full screen display. This is how it goes. And so it came out. Okay, let's actually dial up another video. You're upset this time. Think of it as a TV screen. Let's go with 4K's video source. Play 4K video. This is a 4K Blu-ray DVD. HDMI output. It can really be 4K. It's 4K, so I'll wait until I connect to OBS. I will get 4K UVC. Connect is the output to the capture card first. At this time, he will look at his picture first. Oh, see, then I'll actually show a video. Okay, you can hear it now, right or not? I'll turn off the sound first. I'm going to set up 4K now. Let's show you. The first step is to press video capture device. Then choose 4K UVC. Because current video is really 4K, it can get video. You see it's 4K. Okay, I'll turn on my voice again. Next, I will show you how to record. The same thing. I'll turn it off first. Well, there are 3 steps to process. The first step is to go to the background and press Settings. This place. For the video, please select Full HD. 60 FPS can be selected here. OK, and then apply. This is the first step. The second step, press Settings again. There is an output. There is a recording. Full HD should also be chosen here. Then if you can compress NVIDIA with hardware, just use NVIDIA. If not, what do you choose? Quick Sync. Finally, select X264. I choose this NVIDIA. I'll turn on the sound again. I press Stretch Recording. Recording and TV screen at the same time. Stop recording. Then turn off the sound first. Then call out recording file. I'm in my video area. This place listens. A brief introduction to how to use Faben 179 Plus capture card. Think of OBS as if it were a TV screen. TV monitor. Look this way. It is also possible to make recording. It's all white here. Start recording. Use our Faben 179 Plus. There won't be a lot of tossing going on. Like just connecting this iPhone. There will be a black bar problem. We are not going to happen.